And just like that, we are pulling into our first port. Backpack ready, sunglasses on, adventure awaits. Hello, Icy Strait Point. Our first stop, the complimentary gondola. Yes, it is free, whisking us gently into the charm of Icy Strait Point, where time seems to slow just enough to take it all in. At the heart of Icy Strait Point stands the Hoonah Packing Company Cannery, a beautifully restored landmark that once powered the town's economy and now serves as a quiet, captivating tribute to both industrial grit and cultural resilience. Built in 1912, its salt-worn plants and original canning lines are still intact, telling stories through rust and timber rather than plaques and glass. What truly elevates the experience, though, is how deeply it honors the Tlingit people, the original stewards of this land. Exhibits are laced with indigenous history, traditional practices, and personal narratives that gives the museum real soul. There is a quiet reverence for the shoreline, the respect for the salmon, the careful way the past is preserved rather than polished. Like the stories are still breathing through the old beams and rusted gears. You can almost hear the clatter of fish tins and the hum of a day's work. It is not a museum that shouts, it hums. There is an unmistakable sense of pride, not just in what was built, but in what has been carried forward. We walk through local shops filled with treasures and temptations. Just beyond the cannery and nestled near the shoreline, we came upon the orca statue, bold, graceful, and perfectly posed mid-leap, as if frozen in a moment between sea and sky. Sleek and striking against the coastal backdrop, it's more than just a photo op. It is a quiet tribute to the ocean's true locals. The shoreline is just steps away, with pebble beaches and driftwood that looks like it's been placed by hand. A few smaller tourist ships are moored nearby, while our cruise ship waits offshore like a gentle giant, perfectly at ease. An old wooden pier stretches out into the bay, its planks and time-worn posts telling quiet stories of the tides. We walked around slowly, no rush, no plans, just following the salt air. One turn reveals whimsical homes, each one unique, as if the town were curated by someone with excellent taste and a love for cozy details.